Greetings, viewers, and thanks for joining us out in the woods. Time to fuck up this Ford, see what we can do with it, see if it'll make it through the creek here. If not, we got the Tundra on the ready. Hit it hard! Back up! Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Alright, I'm going to pull this up and we're going to have some fun with that thing. The old Ford ain't doing that great. Bring her up the hill, Charlie. It's rough out here for it. Ooh, almost. He'll make it this time. Stay up here, bud. Stay up here, house dog. That's the way. Yeah, this side. Oh, dang, she's smoking an awful lot already. Just give it hell, I'll follow you around. Oh, let me have my soda. That window don't work? Oh. Stay back here, bud. All right, let's do it. Ow. Oz dog, stay over here, buddy. Stay over here, Oswald. Come on now. I guess some bitch has lost your radiator already. This fucking thing doesn't last a minute. Oswald, stay over here. Son of a bitch. Can't believe that thing lost its radiator. Oh, hell yeah! Whoops! Oswald, get over here! We'll train you up, dude, if you don't stop. Stay here. Huh? Yeah, is it overheating?
Nope.
Good. It's blowing steam like crazy. You got some warning lights on.
Half the way, you can't even see where the hell you're at.
No, it's us just going, man. All right, she's holding up pretty well. A couple warning lights on the dash. We're gonna, yeah, I guess just take it for some more rounds. Charlie, jump in. Hey, my soda wasn't in there, was it?
Yep.
Oh, it's not shook up. Stay up here, bud. Stay with me. Stay up here, Oswald. Sorry, there's so much radiator smoke. Oswald, over here, bud. Come on. Go away. Stay over here, Oswald. Oswald! Oswald! Get over here! Jesus! What's the matter with you? Stay over here. Stay over here. You're gonna get in the way. Stay over here now. Come on. Dog, please. Oh crap. Oh, I thought he was going to go down the big hill. Stay over here, Oz Dog. Oh, dang, go close. Go over here, buddy.
Can't see where I'm going.
I know. Get over here, dog. Gosh, this is crazy. Trust me, we're having a great time. You can't see it. Go over here, dog. Get over here, Oswald. Come on now. Stay up this way. Good job, bud. Yeah! Stay over here, bud. Oh! Go, baby, go! Get up here, bud. Come on. Come on. Oswald, get over here. Gotta keep yelling at you. Is he gonna make it? Oswald, come on, bud. There is a Ford Exploder in there somewhere. Oswald, come on. Oswald, stop. Oh, we got fire under the hood. Fire, she's on fire. Oh yeah, big time. I'm gonna run and get a fire extinguisher. Well, you can see here we had a big problem. It got out of hand and all of our fire extinguishers are used up. So we can just sit here and make sure it doesn't catch my woods on fire. I got nothing. Wow. We'll be back. She's big. Oh. Well, we're blinded in the woods, making sure nothing burns down. We can't help the vehicle, it's gone. And can't get fire trucks back here, so we're just minding the farm, making sure the woods don't catch. Thanks for joining us for this video. Well, you see here we had a big problem. It got out of hand and all of our fire extinguishers are used up. So we can just sit here and make sure it doesn't catch my woods on fire. I got nothing. All right, viewers. We had a little fire underneath that wouldn't go out, so we winched her up to the tree over there and pulled it up on its side. We got her put out with the bucket brigade, half a dozen fire extinguishers, and yeah, so I guess we didn't really get it put out. It mostly burnt itself to the ground. There's still a little bit of steam there. I'm gonna hang out here, smoke a fat one, have me a drink, and watch this thing smolder for a little bit more, throw some more water on it. Man, we had a good time. Nice to have the Tundra back out and rolling around in the woods. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna edit everything we got together here of it and put her together. So like, subscribe, comment. Yeah. Man, I sure do appreciate y'all watching. Have a super great day.